What's going on, guys? Welcome to Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is June 5th. Currently, I'm going to be going over all my stocks that I bought, sold. Also had a big deposit of $33.20 today. Obviously, today's stock has went crazy. Let me just go over the numbers with you for the day. Today I am up 3.15% and up a little bit over 0.5% after hours. Total I'm up would be about 540 for the week. I am up $1,245, almost 9% for the week. For the month, up about 3.8%, which is still pretty good. Current portfolio, I'm at $15,259. So, great week. Hopefully next week will be the same. So let me just go over a couple things what I did. First off, I did sell my Microsoft. I just felt that it would not go higher than about 185 to 186. I wanted to make a couple of big moves. I thought I would see more profit in it. But I did buy 10 shares of CocaCola. I currently own 37 shares right now at $46.70. Coca-Cola has been going up. Obviously, you see it's at $49.10. For the week, it's up 5.25%. So I did purchase 10 stocks of Coca-Cola. Next thing I did, I went on a limb. I sold HP. Lost out on that because it did go up $2 after I sold it. I took a chance on buying 188 shares of Virgin Galactic Holdings. So I am expecting this stock to go up with SpaceX shooting their rockets up. I'm expecting the stock to go up heavily, so keep an eye on this. I bought this 188 shares of it at $16.10. This is about $3,000 market value of my portfolio. So this is the most that I have in all of my stocks. But if you do look at the week it was on the first, it was at $18. So if I can get this thing back up to $18 or more, I mean even for the month, if I can get this in the $20 range, I'll be making bank. But keep an eye on this. I think this one will go up. If you want to take a chance on it, I would recommend it because that's the direction it's going to go. The main shareholder, his birthday is on July 18th, and supposedly he wanted to do something prior to the pandemic to fly up there by his birthday. So I'm going to hold on to it till it hits 18, maybe 20, or I'll probably hold on to it. Probably at the latest would be around July, mid-July to end of July. Alright, so next thing, I did buy 10 shares of SPG Property Group. It's only 10 shares. I bought it for $634.10. This thing has been on a tear. I was going to try to buy some more, but it shot up so fast. I am going to see what happens. If it gets down to the $80 range, $75 range, I may buy some more. Simon Property Group is basically, they own a lot of the malls, big shopping centers and stuff like that. So with the malls reopening and everything, their stocks are going to go up. I mean, just look at it. For the week, it went up $33. It's 58% it went up in a week. But if you look at the 3-month, it's at 117. Even the year, you see, just before it started dropping at 142. So I'm thinking this thing should go up to 100, 110, level off a little bit, and then start going back up. So I did buy 10 shares of that, and that made me about $270 just in 2 or 3 days. I did sell a put on Space. So I sold a put on Space here, and made me $78. I did end up buying it back for $30. So a profit of 48 bucks. So I had it at 16. So luckily I did sell it because currently it is below 16. So I would have been forced to buy 100 shares at $16. It would have brought my average cost down, but like I said, I have 188 shares of it. I don't need another $2,000 worth of shares of it at this moment. Next thing I did, I bought 48 shares of Bank of America. Bank of America currently will be having a dividend date. That dividend date is it passed on June 4th, so it's 18 cents per share. So that's why I bought 47 shares of Bank of America. And Bank of America has been going up like crazy as well. So it did shoot up. But a lot of times after the dividend date, the stock will, once it goes up, it will kind of fall off a little bit. So I'm expecting Bank of America to maybe go down to like 27.50. But I do have 100 shares currently of Bank of America at $24.89, which I believe is a great price. If you look at the week, it's up 15% for the week. Look at the month, it's up 24%. 3 months, it's up 9%. If you look at the year, it's been going up for the whole year, and then it's at $34. I'm thinking $30, but I do want to hold on to it. Like I said, it pays you currently 19 cents, 18 cents per share you own, so I'll get about 18 bucks, 19 bucks for it, but I do want to hold on this for the long run. A couple other smaller ones that I did buy, ANGC. Let's see. So I did buy ANGC. I am in Maryland, so this is a local company out of Bethesda. So I just want to kind of to support them, and it did look like a pretty decent stock where I didn't have to put too much money into it. About 40 shares of it at $5.45. It did well early, and then it kind of fell off. It's at $13.64. I'm still up, not by a lot. It's $10.89. If you look at the week, it's up 5%. The month is up 6%. 3 months, it's down 18%. But if you look at the year, it's going up and up and up, $19. I expect this to hit $15, $16, but I also do want to hold this up for the long run as well, just because it is a really nice dividend stock, and it is really funded by the government. So the government is throwing a lot of money at it. Even if it does not do well, they're still funded by the government, and they're literally throwing money at it. And they give you 12 cents per share. So I believe that's pretty low cost stock to get 12 cents per share. The next one I did buy Pfizer. So Trump did put out a statement saying that Pfizer is one of the 3 or 4 companies that he believes will come up with a cure or some type of vaccine for the COVID. So this would be kind of the safest bet for me. They haven't been on the highest upswing, and I believe they have the highest to go to pre-pandemic. So right now they are not up too much. I bought it at $35.98. I bought 20 shares of it. But if you look at the week they're up 1.5%. For the month they're actually down 7%. They had a drug trial that did fail, so that's why it did drop for it. I believe it was for a cancer drug trial. But if someone does come up with a vaccine, and if they have any part to do with it, their stocks will skyrocket. So if you look at the 3 months, they're actually up 4%. If you look at the year, they still have a ways that they can go up. So I expect them to possibly hit the $40 mark, or even higher if they are one of the 4 that comes up with the vaccine first, or even shows signs of any type of improvement. The last stock I purchased, this is a company that is trying to basically be Tesla, just in the truck division. They are coming out with really big semis, I believe in 2023. Next year they are coming out with their line. So this is a stock that could go really high, it could go really low, but I currently bought it kind of too high. I jumped on it as fast as I could, but the shares jumped up pretty fast. Bought it at $36.32, 14 shares of it. I'm only down $4.50, but if you look at it, this could be a company to keep an eye on. So if this is the next Tesla at $36, it's a steal. Alright, a couple more things just to go over with. There is a couple of dividends that are coming up. The Bank of America, like I said, is June 4th. The pay date is June 26th. I do plan on buying some Coke on Monday. There are 41 cents per share. The ex-dividend date is June 12th. Pay date's July 1st. And the last one is SPG, June 18th. They are a monthly dividend. Actually, they are not a monthly dividend. June 18th. Pay date is June 26th. And that's $2.10 per share. So keep an eye on that. Please, guys, if you like what you see, subscribe to the video. You'll see much more. Give it a like, and I do have a link at the bottom. If you use that link, you will get a free stock. I will get a free stock. I'll show the stock on my video to show you guys what it is. And Monday, I think I am going to try to put in around $800, maybe $1,000 to try to see what is going on Monday. Thank you again, guys. Like I said, please subscribe and have a good day.